You sit in your room, surrounded by silence, but the silence is lying. There's something flowing between you and the world. Unseen, unfiltered, untrusted. It's called Wi Fi, and it's always listening. The hidden gateway. Wi Fi isn't just signal, it's access to you, your history, your habits, your heartbeat logged by a smartwatch, your camera turned on by code. It feels invisible until you realize someone else might be inside right now. Your smart TV is silently communicating with external servers, even while off. Your baby monitor live stream could be intercepted halfway around the world. Smart bulbs, smart plugs, smart assistants, all clever enough to listen, not clever enough to defend. Every device on Wi Fi is a mouthpiece, and none of them know when to say quiet. The myth of passwords. But you're safe, right? You have a strong password, you changed your SSID, your trust, your router. Let me tell you a secret. Trust is the weakest. Password are paper walls, firmware is dated, encryption is flawed. Your defenses are assumptions and they never stopped a breach. Most routers come with factory set credentials. Many users never changes them. Attackers don't need to crack anything. They just scan for open ports or outdated systems. Your guest network, it might be the real front door if it's not segmented. Even secure protocols like WPA2 have been exploited. History repeats if not updated. But you want to know a secret? Zero trust are the enemy of assumptions. In a zero trust world, trust is replaced by doubts. Every device must prove itself. Every user is challenged. Every action monitored, logged, authenticated because modern hackers don't bust through doors. They walk in through Wi-Fi and you let them. Now, imagine this. You are at home, it's quiet, and yet your smart speaker recorded a sentence you never said. Your thermostat pinged a server in another country. Your phone connected to a hidden Wi Fi signal by itself. Are you online or are you under surveillance? So, how do you survive in this digital jungle? Segment your networks, separate the devices that know you from the ones that serve you. Disable auto connect. Never let your device make decisions for you. Use a VPN not to hide from the world but to obscure yourself from the watchers. Update your router because outdated firmware is a beacon to attackers. And most of all, question everything. Now, I will tell you about a true case file. In 2020, a multinational company was breached, not through their servers, not through their security policies, through a foreign network enabled printer. It hadn't been updated in 6 years, it connected to a rogue signal, and through it, millions of identities were lost. And now for last, you have to remember this. Wi-Fi isn't the lullaby of the network, soft, convenient, ever present, but comfort breeds blindness and in a wood ruled by zero trust. Comfort is a security flow, so wake up, disconnect, verify before you trust, because the signal you ride on might be carrying something back. You are not paranoid, you are just finally aware. Subscribe to Zero Trust. The truth is encrypted, but we are decoding it, one single at a time. If you have any doubt about this video, do not hesitate to comment because Zero Trust Tech is with you guys. So don't worry, until next video, bye bye.